Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are breaking down a dramatic and highly strategic moment from the Ukraine war that has captured global attention: the reported blitz against what many analysts describe as Vladimir Putin's only spy plane. Capable of tracking underwater sea drones, an aircraft believed to play a critical role in Russia's naval intelligence and maritime surveillance network. And this single event tells a much bigger story about how modern warfare is changing before our eyes. This moment did not happen in isolation. It sits at the intersection of air power, naval warfare, electronic intelligence, and the growing role of unmanned systems, especially sea drones that have reshaped the balance of power in the Black Sea, forcing Russia to rethink how it protects its fleet and its coastlines. To understand why this strike matters so much, we first need to understand what this spy plane actually represents, because this was not just another military aircraft. It was a flying nerve center, designed to see, hear, and analyze threats far beyond the capabilities of conventional radar systems. According to military experts, the aircraft targeted by Ukraine is believed to be part of Russia's specialized maritime patrol and reconnaissance fleet, platforms designed to detect submarines, track surface vessels, and, crucially, monitor underwater activity, including unmanned naval drones that Ukraine has used with devastating effect against Russian ships. These aircraft are equipped with advanced radar arrays, magnetic anomaly detectors, electronic surveillance systems, and communication intercept tools, allowing them to scan vast areas of ocean and relay real-time intelligence to naval commanders, giving Russia early warning against attacks that might otherwise come without notice. Ukraine's sea drones have already proven to be one of the most disruptive weapons in this war, striking high-value targets like the flagship Moskva, damaging or destroying multiple Russian vessels, and forcing Russia's Black Sea fleet to retreat further from Ukrainian shores, reducing its ability to project power. As Ukraine refined these tactics, Russia increasingly relied on airborne surveillance to counter them, making these spy planes not just important, but essential, which is why the reported blitz against one of these aircraft is being described as a major intelligence and operational blow. The moment itself unfolded with speed and precision, reflecting how Ukraine has adapted its air defense and strike capabilities over the course of the war, learning from early vulnerabilities and transforming them into strengths through innovation, foreign support, and battlefield experience. While details remain closely guarded, reports suggest that Ukraine used a combination of intelligence gathering, timing, and advanced weaponry to exploit a narrow window of opportunity, striking when the aircraft was either within range or most exposed, demonstrating a deep understanding of Russian flight patterns and operational habits. This kind of operation does not happen by chance. It requires weeks or even months of surveillance, analysis, and planning, tracking when the aircraft takes off, where it patrols, how it communicates, and what defenses protect it, all while avoiding detection. Ukraine's ability to carry out such a strike shows how far its intelligence apparatus has come, blending human intelligence, signals intelligence, satellite data, and battlefield reconnaissance into a coordinated system capable of targeting some of Russia's most sensitive assets. For Russia, losing or even damaging such a plane is not just a material loss. It is a strategic setback that creates gaps in coverage, reduces situational awareness, and forces commanders to make difficult choices about how to allocate limited resources. Replacing these aircraft is not easy. They are expensive, complex, and often built in small numbers, and sanctions have made it hard